Hi classmate, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
We are fine.
So today,
How are you?
I am also good, thanks. Okay, so in this class, we are going to learn about adjectives and adverbs. What is the main difference between adjectives and adverbs? Okay, before we start the class, I want to ask you, what are adjectives? Yeah, any answer from anybody? Here, Daniel, please tell me.
Intense quality of verb.
I'm sorry, you're wrong. Adjective. Right. Adjectives tell us the quality of noun. And adverbs?
Sir, it tells the quality of verb.
Adverbs are the words which tells the quality of verb. For example, when I say he is a good boy. So good is an adjective. It tells me the quality of noun or pronoun. He is, we say, Aryan. Aryan is a good boy. So Aryan is a noun and he is pronoun. So the words which tells us the quality of the words which tells the quality of pronoun or noun are called adjectives. And verb are the words which tells the
Which modifies the verb.
which modifies the verb, or it tells the quality of verb, how the verb is doing work. For example, if I say he's a good boy, he works faster. वह अच्छा लड़का है, तो अच्छा क्या है हमारा एडजेक्टिव है, बिकॉज वो हमारे नाम की कहता है खूबी, लेकिन वो काम कैसे करता है? फास्ट. वर्क्स मीन्स काम, नाउन. ओके, सो इट मीन्स दैट we will learn in this chapter that he works. वो काम करता है फास्ट, तेज काम करता है. सो तेज काम करना मुझे काम की क्या बता रहा है? खूबी. सो इट इज टेलिंग मी द क्वालिटी ऑफ verb, because work is a verb and he is a pronoun and noun. So the words which tells me the quality of verb are called adverb, and words which tell the quality of noun are called adjectives. Okay, so now we are going to learn the difference between, we are going to learn the types of adjectives. Okay, so all of you please open your book, page number 41. Please, all of you open the books, the manuals of us. Please, all the students open your book, page number 41. Are you on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when we do the adverbs, okay, so we will learn different types of adverbs. Okay.
There are 5 kinds of.
So there are 5 kind of adverbs. Okay. What is the first adverb we have?
Adverb of manner.
The first adverb is
Manner.
the first is adverb of I'm sorry. Adverb of manner. Then we have adverb of time. Not time, it's time. Time. The third is adverb of place. And next is adverb of frequency. This is one of the most important adverbs. It tells us how frequent the action happens. Make sure you must know, but hold on. It tells us how frequent the action happens. Okay. It also gives beauty to a sentence. Okay. Yes, what is it, Shivram?
Sir, there are
Yes.
kinds of adverbs and
And
there
right for. write in the book. Write four kinds of.
I'll tell you about that. Okay, next is adverb of manner, time, place, frequency, and
Quantity.
quantity. No, adverb of quality. Okay.
That's a quality.
No, adverb. I'm sorry. Adverb place. I'm sorry. Okay.
Sir, please write the numbers. These are 4 numbers and you write 3.
You're right. I'm sorry. I was confused in this. I'm so sorry, class. Okay. So, now first we are going to start the adverb of manner. So, guys, tell me, adverb of what do you mean by manner? What is the meaning of the word manner? आदत. ओके, तो कोई भी काम हो रहा है उसमें इंसान की क्या दिख रही है? आदत. The sentence is the word which shows us somebody's काम करने की आदत. भूल जाना, अक्सर भूल जाना, careless, laziness. Okay, so the sentence is which tells me the verb की आदत. काम भूलना एक verb है. कैसे भूलना? अक्सर भूल जाना. ओके, कभी भी भूल जाना, समटाइम्स भूल जाना. तो मैनर क्या होती है? किसी भी एडवर्ब की एडवर्ब मैनर्स आर द वर्ड्स व्हिच टेल्स मी अबाउट द मैनर. फॉर एग्जांपल, वी से, कैन यू गिव अ सेंटेंस?
So they played carelessly.
दे एग्जांपल.
So they played carelessly.
दे प्ले और प्ले. प्ले भी ठीक है, प्ले भी ठीक है. प्लेड खेले थे.
Carelessly.
सो प्लेड इज अ वर्ब. प्लेड इज
Wow.
एंड केयरलेसली इज बगैर ध्यान से. केयरलेसली बिना ध्यान से खेले थे. काम तो किया था बिना ध्यान के. सो दे इज प्रोनाउन. प्लेड खेले थे केयरलेसली. काम तो किया था बगैर
देखे.
ध्यान से, केयरलेसली. ओके, वन मोर सेंटेंस.
This car runs quickly.
यू से
This car runs
दिस कार
quickly.
दिस
Leak.
कार runs quickly. So, car is a noun, true? This is, what is this?
This
Pronoun. Runs, verb. Verb की खूबी क्या है हमारी? It tells the quality of verb. So, quickly is? So, you must, common sense, add plus verb. Add में कुछ verb add हो गया है. क्या add हो गया? उसकी खूबी. So, car runs, कार भागती है quickly. So, quickly is an adverb. Okay? Okay. The next adverb we have is adverb of time, right? Which okay, the answer of the question is in the question, right? So tell me, what is the meaning of time here? What do you think?
Sir, tell us the
Tell me, adverb of time. So what do you think? Time में क्या आता है इसके अंदर?
evening, morning.
For example, जो हमें बताया काम तो हुआ था, कब हुआ था? किस टाइम हुआ था? सुबह हुआ था, शाम में हुआ था, कल हुआ था, परसों हुआ था. For example, please keep patience, class, keep quiet. I got up early. Quiet. First, understand the sentence. What is I?
Pronoun.
I is singular pronoun. Singular. What is got? Got is got get. Got up. Got up. It's one word. Got up. It means it's a verb. जल्दी उठा. Early.
The adverb.
In the
Morning.
morning.
Morning adverb.
In the, I think this is not visible here. काम तो हुआ, लेकिन अर्ली एडवर्ब कब हुआ?
Morning.
Early is also adverb. जल्दी उठा, काम हुआ लेकिन early morning. Early morning tells me the time of the verb. काम कब हुआ? सुबह हुआ, शाम में हुआ. One more sentence which will take.
Kamran comes here daily.
Okay. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. So go to what is go to? What shows me the time in the sentence? What shows me the time in the sentence? I go to what is school? School is a quiet. School is noun. And what is daily?
Adverb.
Because it tells me the
Meaning of
time of a verb. It shows me the
meaning of
time of the verb. स्कूल जाता हूँ डेली. आ जाएगा नेवर, कभी नहीं. नेवर भी एडवर्ब है आपका. वो है फ्रीक्वेंसी. कितनी मरतबा जाता है वो आगे चलते हैं. ओके, गॉट दिस?
yes sir.
One more sentence of adverb of time, please.
Time will never wait for everyone.
Time will
Never
never
wait for everyone.
wait for
Anyone.
anyone. So in this sentence, what is adverb?
Yes, sir.
What is adverb in the sentence?
Adverb.
Okay, what is never?
It's an
Never is adverb.
कौन सा adverb है?
Frequency adverb.
We are doing time, not frequency.
Sir,
But
it's frequency.
okay, but maybe time. We are not doing frequency.
time.
It's all, where is time?
So never.
Okay, never is a frequency. Adverb frequency, but time will never wait for anyone. So time is also an adverb. Time. The word which tells me the time of a verb is are the adverb of time. Now, adverb of frequency. But this is the most important adverb. How occasionally the work happens. Okay, we will do no problem. Guys, see, adverb of frequency. It tells me काम कैसे होता है. कभी कभी होता है, कभी नहीं होता. अगर मैं कहता हूं never, if I say never, it means वो काम कभी नहीं होता. 0%. If I say always,
100%.
if I say always, it means
100%.
it means that I do work always. 0%. If I say occasionally, so what do we call? We say occasionally. Oh. So what is occasionally?
Sir, occasionally.
Occasionally.
Sir, वक्त के हिसाब से होता है.
Occasionally.
कभी कभी होता है.
So 50%.
50%. 50-50.
Sometimes is also
50-50. Sometimes it's 20. Half. It's 25%. 35.
30.
sometimes it's 30%. So the sentences which tells me the frequency of the sentences which tells me the frequency of an action, how the word happens, how frequently the actions happen, then we call it as a adverb frequency. Can you give us some sentences? Barking dog seldom bites. Barking dogs seldom. What is seldom?
So what is
Seldom.
कभी कभी. Barking dogs seldom bites. Okay, so barking dogs seldom bites. What does it mean? Barking dog seldom bites. So seldom means कभी कभी. So it means how much percent? कभी कभी 20, 25, there is no fixed percentage. It just only to understand. Sometimes, कभी कभी. Okay. So barking dogs seldom bites. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, one more example. Class, please give me one more example of adverb frequency from the book.
I got to school daily.
This man is always late.
This
Man. No one. Is
Man.
Is always late. No one.
comes
Time.
always
Late.
late.
Sir, not comes.
This man
Is always
comes
late.
always late. ये आदमी डेली लेट आता है. So always is
Frequency.
always shows with the frequency. How often the action happens. Okay. So always is
Frequency.
Frequency.
100% late. और अगर ये हो जाए this man never comes late.
Never comes.
Never. So never is
Frequency. 0%.
कभी लेट नहीं आता है. Sometimes comes late, मतलब 20%, 30%. और occasionally, I will send you a list. You can go to my Facebook page, Learn English while boarding English Express. On that page, you will find all the adverb of frequency along with all the type of adverbs, plus most of the important clashes between the adjectives, where people confuse between adjectives and adverbs. Okay, so this is very important for you to understand the frequency, and my page will help you to know the detailed information about adverbs. Okay, and then we have adverb of place. Okay, guys, see, don't get confused with preposition and place, because what do you think? A place is such place preposition, but here it's over for you. Or you can go to my Facebook page. You will find the difference between adverb of place and prepositions. Okay, so adverb of place.
And
Okay, if I say the sentence, he is up, he is on the first floor. Okay, so what do you think if a place आएगा?
Sir, क्योंकि इसमें बोला first floor.
we are giving a location.
Yeah, location giving. Okay, do the homework and come tomorrow with the difference between prepositions and adverb of place. So please give an exam from the book.
Sir, please repeat the homework.
Difference between prepositions and adverb of place. Okay. Give me one sentence.
Come here.
Walk forward.
Come here.
Walk forward.
Go there.
Here. यहाँ आइए. Here is a place. यहाँ आइए. But we say come on the chair. Come here on the play. Come here on the chair. यहाँ आइए on the chair. On the
Chair.
कुर्सी पर बैठे. No.
on is preposition. But I am not going to confuse you with this. Here is adverb of place. Of. Adverb of place and preposition. Don't go there. वहाँ मत जाओ. Don't go there. Don't
Go there.
go वहाँ मत जाओ. So there is a there tells me the
Place.
it tells me the place. Don't go there is a place. So preposition don't go there in the corner. In the
Corner.
उस कोने में मत जाओ.
Corner is a place.
So there is a adverb and corner is a noun.
Sir,
But in is preposition. वो हम पढ़ेंगे जब I'll teach you prepositions.
okay, sir.
There is a adverb of place. Okay. Now tell me any question, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now in the book which I gave you, if you see, come to page 42, you can see the boxes, the squares, right? In the boxes, you can see some commonly used adverbs and some commonly used. See, you see? Yes? You will be able to find all the examples. For example, page 42, it shows common adverb of time. Before, yesterday, never, formerly, today, daily, tomorrow. Page number 43, in the boxes, frequency, always, weekly, fortnightly, annually, never, again, once, twice, usually. So, they are the examples. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
And I will teach you how to make a superlative degree with adjectives on Monday. The homework for you is make five sentences on each adverb. Okay? Make sure you do the homework and come along with it. And also, we learned the use of what, when, where, how. On this, if you go to the same page, no, come to page number 88. Okay. On page 88, do the exercise. And page number 87, number 2. Yes, no type questions begin helping verb. Okay? Class, thank you so much for the class. Okay? And make sure on Sunday you come along with the homework. Am I clear? Thank you so much.
On Monday.
Yeah.